Jude, here it is the 11th video of the trigonometry. Here they have given secant theta as 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Here now, let's take this one. They have given what is known as secant theta. Secant of theta equal to 13 by 12. Let's take an imaginary triangle. In this imaginary triangle, this angle going to become theta and this is the right angle. Let's mark the adjacent, opposite and hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse because this is the biggest side, and the side adjacent to joining to angle theta becomes adjacent, and the side opposite to theta becomes opposite. Now let's do this problem again. Now you can write the secant theta as nothing but it is inverse of cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, so secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent going to become 13 by 12. So you can take hypotenuse as 13k and adjacent as 12k. Now you can do it out. Adjacent as 12k, hypotenuse as 13k, because you need to take as k, not directly as 13 and 12, because they must be in ratio of 13 and 12. They can be 26 24 or 39 36, or even they can be 6.56, any of those. Now let's find out what is opposite. Opposite, you can take it as x, so this is going to become this side square plus this side square as x square plus 12k whole square going to become hypotenuse square, which is 13k square whole square. Now 12 square means you can write it as 12 times of 12. 12 times of 12 becomes 144, and 13 times of 13, which going to become 169. Now you can get it out, that is x square plus 144k square equal to 169k square. Now you need to send this 144k square that side. It going to become x square equal to 169k square minus 144k square. Now you going to get x square equal to 169 minus 144 is 25k square. Now if you send that square that side, it going to become x equal to 25k square. 25 is nothing but 5 times of 5, or it can be written as 5 square times of k square. When both comes out of root, it becomes 5k. That is the value of x. So opposite side is not x, it is 5k. Let's take all of this, that is opposite is equal to 5k. Now let's find out what are the values of this one. All other trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, and even cosecant and cot. Let's start by doing this. Here let's take first by sine theta. Sine theta means it is opposite by hypotenuse. Sine of theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So here it is opposite by hypotenuse means 5k by 13k. That is 5k by 13k. Cancel out k, you going to get 5 by 13. In the same way, let's find out cos theta. Cos theta means it is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse means here adjacent 12k and hypotenuse is 13k. You going to get it as 12k by 13k. K cancels out, it becomes 12 by 13. Or you can take even inverse of the secant theta. Secant theta's reciprocal, that is 13 by 12, going to become cos theta, that is 12 by 13. You flip upside down, sin theta becomes cosecant theta and cos theta becomes secant theta. In the same way, let's find out what is tan theta. And tan theta means it is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent means you're going to get it as like this. Opposite by adjacent, that is here the opposite by adjacent is 5k by 12k. Now you're going to get 5k by 12k. K cancels out, it becomes 5 by 12. Now let's do cosecant theta. Cosecant theta means in sin theta it is opposite by hypotenuse. Here it is hypotenuse by opposite. In the same way, even values flip upside down, that is 13 by 5. Or you can take here 13k by 5k, that is 13 by 5. Now let's find out at last cot theta. Cot theta means it is adjacent by opposite. Means Here in tan theta opposite by adjacent, here it flips upside down, adjacent by opposite. Here it is 5 by 12, here it becomes 12 by 5. You can verify that. Here adjacent by opposite is 12k by 5k, which is 12 by 5. Now bye.